So this is the Jenkins. So this is nothing but a install the Java and Jenkins. So first, so we need to launch the EC2 instance. aws.console.com, cancel, sign in console. So funny, your account is in active state, right? Fanendra Kumar Vijay.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Yeah, there is no instances, right? I can create a, you can launch a instance Jenkins hyphen server. So Jenkins server, and we will took Amazon Linux 2 and T2 micro key pair is Samsung. Launch instances. Yeah, Jenkins. So Jenkins, guys. So once it is up, we can connect to the putty. Then we can install the Jenkins. Then we can install the Jenkins. Yeah. So took the public DNS, putty, connect this, appearance, change, bold 18, auth, SSH auth credentials, what is it, Samsung, open, accept, what is this guys, EC2 user sudo su. You see guys, so a step-by-step guide to install the Jenkins on Amazon Linux 2. So what are the prerequisites? So we already knows, right? So download the Jenkins. Download the Jenkins by using this path, guys. So you can use this path to download the Jenkins. So you will see the Jenkins. This is the Jenkins repo. So go to sudo. Yeah, we already in the right. So sudo become a root. Yes, I am a become a root, and so I use this. Yeah, it's downloaded. Next, install this key, guys. Import this key. Yes. Install Java, guys. First install the JDK. Right. Install the JDK. Yeah, it's completed. Then install the Jenkins. Install Jenkins hyphen y. So we already added the repo, right? Here, Jenkins repo is added to the M repository. So import the key. Once we done this, you can just install the Jenkins. So it automatically install the Jenkins. So then once Jenkins is installed, so we can start the Jenkins. How you can start the Jenkins? By using systemctl enable Jenkins, start Jenkins, and status Jenkins. Systemctl enable means it will start on whenever you restart the server, right? It automatically starts. So then enable start Jenkins. So then you can check the status. So if it is started or not. So once it is started, right? So we can, yeah. So once it is started, so we can check on the browser IT80 port and the public IP address. You will see, yeah, it is started. So once we check the status, yeah. So Jenkins is running. So Jenkins is running. Once it is done, so you can use the HTTP public IP address 8080 port number. So what this is, guys? What is your public IP address? So what is your public IP address? What is the public IP address? This is the public IP address. Right, guys? You can just, so if it is not open, then go to the, networking security. So only TCP is allowed, right? We need to allow everything. Bound rules, add a rule, all traffic, all, save the rule. Now it will get, guys. Yeah, understood. So it is opened. Unlock the Jenkins. How to unlock the Jenkins? To ensure Jenkins is securely set up by administrator, password has been written to the log and this file is on the server. So please copy paste and copy the password from the location and paste it below. So where the password is there, var lib Jenkins secret initial admin password. So this is the password. So where we need to go? So we need to go cd var lib Jenkins initial yeah cat the secrets cd secrets yeah initial admin password. So cat initial admin password. So this is the password, guys. This is the password. Yeah. So we are pasting the password. So what is the user, guys? User is administrator. Password is located in the here. Yeah. So some of the templates will be installing. Git, GitHub branch source, and build timeout, matrix mailer, credential, Gradle, pipeline graph view. Create a first admin user, admin, password is admin, confirm password is admin, full name, administrator, administrator, email, admin at the rate 123, admin at the rate 123. Capital A, capital A. Skip and continue, guys, no worries. So this is the URL. Start using Jenkins. Yeah, you have create the admin user also, guys. Here admin, right? So you can use credentials, admin. So add a domain. So you need to do, guys. Later you can add it, everything, reset the password, right? So dashboard. So this is the dashboard of the admin. So guys understood? So this is the a dashboard. So once you Java installed, Jenkins start. Yeah. So this is open, right? The dashboard. So this is the a dashboard, guys. This is a dashboard. So access UI port. Yes, it is working. Yeah. So run first. Run first Jenkins job, guys. How to run the first Jenkins job? So I will show you. First Jenkins. So Jenkins job. So you see something like so hello world job. So console output started by the user admin, running as a system, building workspace. So welcome world job. Yeah, it's open. It's executed. So uptime, three users, something like a finished success. So this is the first job. Hello world. So install how to install Git on Jenkins. Install Git on Jenkins. So install Git plugin on Jenkins GUI and configure Git and Jenkins. So So on the Jenkins server, you need to install the Git. So once it is installed Git, ec2-user sudo su. Yeah, what is that, guys? Install install Git. Yes. Yeah, Git is installed on the Jenkins server. So then, yeah, install GitHub plugin on the, so git hyphen version. Git hyphen version. Yeah, Git is installed. Now GitHub plugin. Git is installed on the server. Now install GitHub plugin on the Jenkins GUI. So how you can install? Go to the plugin manager. Go to the plugin manager. Manage Jenkins. Yeah, here is the plugins. Disabled rows are already upgraded, allowing restart. Waiting restart. Shaded but the selectable rows. Yeah, available plugins. So in the available plugins, available plugins, plugin manager, go to the available plugins. So then you can select the Git. Plugin integrates with the Git. You can select the Git. We can install the Git. So yeah, you see GitLab, GitHub means GitLab API, GitLab authentication, Git. So GitHub pull request builder, GitHub. Just we install the Git, guys. Yeah, so it is installed. So everything is installed. So once it is installed, yeah, configure Git on Jenkins. So dashboard, global tools, configuration. So dashboard, global tools, manage Jenkins. Yeah, you see global tools, settings. Click here the system. Yeah, here we can configure the Git. Configure Git on Jenkins. So go to the Git directly. Go to the Git. Source code URL metrics HTTPD timestamp per global URL GitHub API pages shell SMTP email notification Git, guys. So Git. So here we can execute the GitHub API server. Where is the Git, guys? metrics, Jenkins, home directory, metrics, timestamp, administrator, GitHub server. We installed what we installed, manage Jenkins, plugins we installed, right? Configure. Yeah, here we install the, so go to the manage Jenkins, right? Manage Jenkins in the tools. So configure tools, configure Git on Jenkins GUI. How to? So first we need to add the Git plugin, and then we can install the tools, configure their tools in the local installer. Yeah, here. So Git. So what is the name of default Git? The Git extensible is Git. Then yeah, you can, once it is done, you can just Git, right. So nothing to be add. So nothing to be add. Just save and apply. Just we installed the Git, right. Just we need to check the purpose. We can just add the Git. Yeah, Git is added. So next, configure Git on Jenkins GUI. So configure Git on Jenkins GUI. Something like a run Jenkins job to pull the code from the GitHub account. So dashboard.